Dozier bunts it in the air, and that lands barehanded by Candelario, and he throws it away. It'll be a bunt single, and Dozier going to second, now going to third. He's going to be waved around. Brian Dozier coming all the way around and scoring on a bunt. How about that to start a ball game?
Territory here in Detroit, of course, hustling down the line, and then seeing that that ball got away, he makes a quick left turn. And now you're going to rely on your third base coach, and you look at Gene Glenn and he says, keep coming. What are you doing? You're crazy.
Cesar bunts. Diekman fields. Throws low. Right on by Goldschmidt. And Cesar will get to second base. He's going to be waved to third. The throw to third is way over the head of Escobar. And Cesar will be awarded home plate, and the Phillies lead it 2-0.
The Little League home run. There it is. You don't get to see it a whole lot, but ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed it.
2-0 Phillies.
I've never seen that before.
Oh my goodness. On a bunt, he circles the bases and
off against Doug Davis. Ibar 0 for 2, looking to bunt his way on. Davis with the throw, and it's behind Lopez covering first. Ibar around second, heading for third. The throw is off the glove of Reynolds, and Ibar will score.
Guzman's footwork against the Indians turned a bunt single into a tracking. The ball thrown down the right field line. Christian Guzman circles the bases on a bunt single. He scored! Number 69 on the countdown of the Minnesota Twins' top 100 Metrodome moment.